Hi there. Welcome to Orbital Adventures, where we break down science's biggest mysteries in quick 2-minute stories. Ever wonder why you look the way you do or have certain abilities? The answer lies in your DNA. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the blueprint of life. It's found in nearly every cell of your body and carries the instructions for everything that makes you. DNA is made up of 4 chemical bases: adenine, A, thymine, T, cytosine, C, and guanine, G. These bases pair up to form a code that tells your cells how to make proteins, the building blocks of your body. Your DNA is organized into genes, which are like specific recipes for different traits. For example, one gene might determine your eye color, while another controls how your body breaks down food. But DNA doesn't work alone. You inherit half of your DNA from your mother and half from your father. This combination of genes is what makes you unique. Even though most of our DNA is the same, small differences lead to the diversity of traits like height, hair texture, or even the sound of your voice. Some traits are simple, controlled by one gene, like blood type. Others, like height or skin color, are influenced by multiple genes working together. And it's not just your DNA that determines your traits. The environment, like your diet and lifestyle, also plays a role in how your genes are expressed, a process called epigenetics. In the end, your DNA is a fascinating code that shapes who you are. But the interaction between your genes and the environment makes you truly one of a kind. At Orbital Adventures, we're also creating fun kids' books that inspire learning geography through storytelling. Scan the QR code now to explore and get your copy. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-understand science videos, all in around 2 minutes.